Hey everyone, it's Bob from Bob's Computer Service. It's another Windows Wednesday, and today I'm going to show you a super simple way to sort your files by date, type, or name. Let's jump in. First, we're going to open a folder. It could be your downloads, documents, pictures, whatever you want. Now we're going to look at the top of the screen right here, and you can see the column headers: name, date, type, size, length, and if we want to sort by name, we would click here and that would sort descending. And if we sort like this, it'd be ascending. And we could do the same thing with date. If we want to sort by newest first, we go like that. If we wanted to go by oldest first, we would just hit date again and it would have it the other way. Same, we could group types together like this or the other way, or even by size or length. That's the easiest way to sort folder files in a folder. I hope that helped. These simple tips can be very helpful. So give us a like and subscribe, and see you next Wednesday.